Hi everybody, welcome back to back it up a little bit. Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. Today we are doing part 3.
Yep.
To the Maracas dog.
So we had to glue this piece right here.
The little loop.
Busted in 3 spots.
Too much. Now where did it go?
It went right here.
It went here.
Around that little weird shaped circle.
Looks like maybe that kind of moves, like possibly makes him rock back and forth, possibly.
I think it's what makes the arm thing go up and down. So now we got to line this up for this gear, because this gear screws in.
A screwed in gear.
I've never seen that before.
That gear is screwed in.
Yes. It's very strange. Oh, is it going to get stuck?
Oh.
A little bit. It's okay. It's from the glue. I got to grind a little bit of the glue off.
Pinch Poke, you want me a Coke? And also Jinx. Tickle, tickle, you owe me a pickle. Tickle, tickle, you owe me a pickle. Mr. Captain Yellow and his sidekick, the Ribbit. I'm Captain Yellow.
You're Captain Yellow?
And this is my sidekick, the Ribbit.
The Ribbit?
The Ribbit. Mr. Captain Yellow and his
I thought that was
sidekick,
Froggy.
the Ribbit. I also thought that you thought that my name is Eli.
It is.
And we just found out last night, after we got finished with part 3 to this guy, part 2 to this guy, and one of my videos, YouTube actually deleted one of my videos.
Mm-hmm.
It was part 2 to the pirate sock monkey repair.
Yeah.
It was deleted off of YouTube because it was copyright. Because he played the original song.
Yeah.
Even though that we played him in the part 1, and there's thousands of videos on Pirate Sock Monkey on YouTube.
Yeah, you found a whole bunch of them on there, huh?
Mm-hmm. And my part 1 stayed on there, even though we played him in there too.
Yeah, let's see if that's going to work. There, it looks like it's going to go back and forth pretty good. This guy, go back on. Get that screw to line up right there. That little tiny hole. Oh, it moved. Of course it moved. Oh, now the wheel spun. You need to hold still. Now you do this.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wow.
So that's how that gear goes in there. And this gear.
And does that kind of just hold this top piece in?
I'm not sure why they have that one screwed in like that. And then this one.
Like, I wonder how it spins.
Does it go on top? Yeah.
It goes on top?
I think.
No.
No.
They weren't all stacked on top of each other.
Oh, wait. This one went over here.
You can get it off?
Yeah. This one was here. Like that. Oh.
Oh, but since this one is screwed onto that other piece that spins, that spins too.
Yeah. So that's, and then this one.
I get it now.
This one was on top of this.
Yes, that one was on top.
And they all interconnect. There.
Mr.
Okay.
Captain Yellow
There's the top
and
of
his
that.
sidekick, the ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit.
Take this back off
Mr.
now.
Captain Yellow and his sidekick, the ribbit. Ribbit. Mr. Captain Yellow and his sidekick, the ribbit. Ribbit. Feliz Navidad.
This is one of those ones where everything's got to get screwed together at once, kind of.
Feliz Navidad.
It's hard to hold it.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I
There's
wanna
one.
wish you a Merry Christmas
There's
from the
two.
bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Okay.
Prospero año y felicidad.
Now we got to go
Make
back,
sure to get those
back to this
in
step.
there.
Yeah. So we got to make sure we
I
get the
wanna wish you a Merry
arms in there, a little
Christmas.
groove.
I wanna
one's
wish
in.
you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of
one's
my
in.
heart.
I think they're both in.
Feliz Navidad, dun 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 dun. Feliz Navidad, dun 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 dun. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Dun 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 dun. Feliz Navidad, dun 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 dun. Feliz Navidad, dun 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 dun. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad. Dun, 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 dun. Feliz Navidad. Dun, 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 dun. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navi Cuckoo Clock.
Mm-hmm.
We'll wait to play him until coffee off.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them sides and stuff on anyway.
And make sure we hold together the shell.
Yeah, I know.
I forgot that. We actually didn't put that video on YouTube. That was the original part 2,
Yeah.
which was supposed to be putting it back together. Yay! I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, go ahead. I'll hold it. His arms don't stop.
They don't?
Nope, they keep right on going, like they're supposed to.
They kind of slow down.
Mm-hmm.
They like go like
I'm gonna put the screws on them first. And then
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Now.
now comes the hard part.
Yes. The whole
Getting
thing
the-
is hard.
Getting the mouth back in that mouth. That's gonna be
Well, the
difficult.
arms too. The arms
Well,
are going to be hard too.
Well, the arms bend, so
Yeah, the arms are like posable.
yeah,
But once
they're,
we get the
they're
arms
thick
in
wire.
there, we have to hook them around the maracas.
Yeah, I know. I think the mouth's gonna be the hardest part. We'll see.
Well, we've gotten moving mouths in before, like in the Gambler Dog,
Yeah,
Olaf.
this one's got it's like a small little hole that it's got to go up into.
Hello. Ooh, what is this? What is... Oh, it's
That's
supposed
just
to
a-
be that.
That's just a case to this.
Oh,
No, that
a pocket knife.
Let's make sure it's still on. Okay. The head's got to go. Small hole right there. And then the mouth goes on. There it is. Alright? Oh, you're pretending to be him. So we gotta get the mouth and the arms in at the same time. I think maybe what we'll do with the arms, since they bend, we should be able to bend them up. Use these. Calm down. You're getting overexcited.
Don't tell me to be calm. It's my time to go crazy.
Okay. Now we'll see how this goes. Put those kind of in so they'll go through.
I feel like my arm muscles are gonna start smoking soon.
Why?
'Cause you're moving so fast.
Oh, because you were flopping around so quick. Well, you're not a singing toy, so they shouldn't start smoking.
Well, he's a singing toy. He shouldn't start smoking.
No,
No singing toys should really.
no, it shouldn't.
I can't believe this guy's finally going back together.
He's trying.
Feliz Navidad.
Take some more of
Feliz
this out as we go.
Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Why have I got that song stuck in my head? That's not even the song he sings.
There's 2 deer outside.
There are 2 deer outside. Okay.
Can we pause on this? I'm gonna show them really quick.
Well, I'll keep trying to get him in there. You can go show him.
Hey guys, there's 2 deer outside. These are, got a lot of them out there. Guys, see them out there? Hang up, guys. I'm gonna. Well, don't like hang up on the video. I need to shut this door. I'll be back in a second, Daddy. There, now that shouldn't glare. Hello, guys. Now, do you guys see them back? Where is that? Oh, that's the video. There's two out there. One's the little buck. The big one. Ah, it's in selfie mode. You can't zoom in. Why can't you zoom in on selfie mode? Okay, I don't care. You're gonna zoom in. Well. I'm sure you guys can see them, but there's two deer back there. But yeah, my camera does not want you guys to see it, apparently. My camera does not like to show deer.
It don't like to show outside.
No, it does not like to show deer.
Yeah, it's because of
I was trying to zoom in.
yeah, it's hard with the light.
No, it wouldn't let me zoom in. It says you can't zoom in on selfie mode.
Oh,
Blah,
yeah.
blah, blah, blah.
That's why, because it's in selfie mode.
I don't care if it says it's not going to zoom in on selfie mode. Zoom in on selfie mode!
I told you his mouth was going to be difficult. Come on.
Oh yeah, and we had big mouth Billy Bass that had the mouth that moved
Yeah.
too. I bet his mouth was
I
really
was trying to get this one to get the head up in to where the mouth goes.
I don't think
It does not want to go. I don't know that we've really looked before, bud.
Yeah.
Usually we're focused on this.
Well, usually I'm referring to you all come back and see if we can get a deer outside.
Oh, do you?
That's what I do when we're back here in the game room. Way deep down in the game room, there's a air hockey table and a pool table and a window where you can see deep through outside. Ta-ta! Okay, guys.
Oh, it's almost going.
I'm holding on to the chair
Why?
because the camera's crooked. Ah!
I think I got his mouth in there.
Ah! Ah!
His arms are going in. Kinda. Yeah. He is not in all the way for some reason. His mouth seems to be in. It's not all the way back. I think there's too much fuzz. Too much stuffing on the front.
Help us!
What? What's going on? Lou?
The camera's crooked.
Oh, we'll straighten it up.
Ah! Ah!
Oh yeah, there's too much stuffing got put up in there. Where is
Hurt.
the mouth?
Ah! Ah! That's why they say you can't make a video with the camera crooked.
Well, you can. It's just going to be crooked. That's all.
Yeah, it makes the ground level. Oh, whoa! Look how close that one is.
Oh yeah, the deer's right here, honey. Is that a buck?
No, that's just a doe.
That's the doe. She's right here looking at us.
Oh, she ran
Oh, she just ran off.
She was really
She
close
was right at the
though.
fence.
Yeah.
She was right
She's
there.
trying to get that bird feeder.
Yep, she was.
So they are eating the bird.
They are eating the bird.
I
Bird
wonder it's running out some point.
Yeah. We need to get taller pole to put it on.
No,
I can still see her back there.
Yeah.
no, we do
Here, come
not.
back over here, Eli.
We do
She might
not.
come back up.
We do not need more poles to
Alright.
make the feeder taller.
Well, that
We need
stuff's
them to
for
be
the
that
birds.
close.
The stuff out back is for her and
Oh, she's still back there.
the rest
Be
of it.
still. No, Eli.
What?
Because she might come back up.
She might come back up.
Well, I don't
You're
see her.
scaring her.
I don't see her.
She's right there.
Oh, she is right there.
Try not to be moving around too much. She's looking right in here.
Yeah, she was looking right at us.
Yeah.
I've never seen one up that close
know.
before. She looks huge. I bet I could ride that thing.
She's wanting to come back up, so not to make us like just
Don't see her.
She's going the other way.
Where's the other way? Where's the other way? Is it this way or that way? This way or that way?
There, I got that one in. I got the mouth in, I think. The mouth was by far the hardest part.
Mommy's moving alert. Mommy's moving alert. Mommy's moving alert. Whoop, 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 whoop. Woo, 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 woo.
There's the mouth in, yeah, the top's in and the bottom. Make sure there's no. I'm gonna play her just for a second. I gotta get her there.
I don't
Her or
see-
him, I don't know what it
It's
is.
I think she must have gone that way.
It sounds like a guy singing, so I'll say it's a him.
It's a him.
Yeah, she must have gone there. Oh no, she's right there.
Where?
She's like right in the corner. See her?
That's because those big birds were. There's a whole flock of those big birds out eating the corn today. So.
I was hoping that she would come back up.
He's gonna share again.
Do you still see her?
No, she's too far that way.
Yeah. She's smaller now.
She's just farther away, bud. Alright, where's all this go? Some right there.
I've never seen it do that. That was amazing.
That was amazing.
Amazing.
No, it was a deer. You're still making a video.
I know.
Or you're supposed to be. I guess I'm making a video.
You're the one that fixes them.
It's your channel.
It's your channel, your video.
And one of my videos got copyrighted and deleted off of YouTube. One of my videos.
Alright, let me go get some tie straps.
Tie straps. Talk. Yes, guys, today is Friday, and trash did not run today for some reason. I'm sharing my shirt with a hand.
Sharing your shirt with a hand? Ah,
Who's this hand?
I don't know if this one will be quiet long enough. Nope. I always have to use two. Two shorter ones.
It looks like my arm's like cut off. Oh,
That wouldn't be good.
I don't have an arm connected to me. I am not connected to an arm. Yeah, you are, see? Huh, doesn't do. It doesn't do have a bottom. So I'm gonna go a different spot. Oh, where are you going? Oh, here now. Oh, he's on the other side. But now the original one's right here. Hey, I'm original. No, I'm original. I'm original. I'm original. No, me. No, 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 no. Now they are both original.
Alright.
Okay, these Froggy, I already have these hands here. See, my head, both my hands, now an arm and a head. So an arm, yeah, and me, my hands, or the hand heads, and Froggy all in one shirt. It's a quartet.
A quartet.
That's four, right?
Yep, that's 4.
Ah, Froggy! I'm gonna poop out Froggy. Yeah! Ah! Oh, feels much better for this to be my shirt. Took out one of the batteries.
Yeah, so I need to have something to hold on to.
Little grip.
Yeah.
Da 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 do.
It's not quite. It's got stuck.
Okay, I'm gonna make the camera crooked again, guys. I'm gonna see if I'm.
There. Okay. I think he's about done. But
No testing first.
no, I've already tested them. Much
The
time.
skin on, I mean. With the skin on.
I had the skin on when I tested them last. The only
Yeah,
thing
but it
I've changed
wasn't-
is putting that tie strap in. Okay, now we got the posable arms,
Kind of.
so we can put them where they're supposed to be.
I think that's good. Now let's just show them.
All right,
There we go!
it works. Oh yeah, you shake real good now.
Sorry guys, I don't know the dance.
I don't remember.
And I know how it goes, I just can't do it. You actually shake it, the Maracas.
Well, there you go.
Well, we finally
good to
got the
go.
Maracas dog repaired. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you guys on our next video, which might be the Pirate Sock Monkey repaired. We're going to try to
Maybe.
upload that one again. Bye, guys.
Bye.